probability of a customer purchasing vegetables at the supermarket checkout is P. 3 customers are chosen at random. The probability that exactly 2 purchase vegetables is the same as the probability that all 3 purchase vegetables. You can think of this just in probability terms, or you can break it down into use binomial. Binomial will be a quicker approach. I'll do that method afterwards. But let's think of the ways that we could have 2 purchases. So probability of getting 2 purchases. That could be a purchase, and the last person not purchasing, or purchase, not purchasing, and purchasing, the last person. Or the first person doesn't purchase, and the second does, and the third does. Purchase vegetables, I mean. So there's 3 ways that 2 people could purchase vegetables. That could be simplified to be 3p squared 1 minus p. How many ways are there for 3 people to purchase? Well, there's only the first person purchases, the second person purchases, and the third person purchases. Or in other words, p cubed. And then in this question, it says the probability that exactly 2 purchase vegetables is the same as the probability that all 3 purchase vegetables. So those 2 things we can put equal to each other. P cubed equals 3p squared 1 minus p. I would cancel out p squareds, and then that gives p equals 3 minus 3p. That means that 4p equals 3, or p is 3/4. The other way to do that then is just to use binomial for this one here. 3 choose 1. Probability of success to the power of r, probability of failure n minus r.